well. So I am back with another video, and this one is not on any of my travels. Rather, it is a tour of my home. Most of you already know that I recently shifted to a new place, and I was really so excited to put everything together and make it into a cozy home with lots of colors, filled with positive and just happy vibes. So I posted a few photos of my home some days back on my Instagram story, and then many of my friends suggested to do a video of my home. I loved the idea, and yeah, here I am doing the same. So before I start, I would really like to mention a few things. One, I like to do and buy things in budget. I don't like to splurge money unnecessarily. And two, when it comes to my taste in setting up a home, it is very boho, colorful, quirky, and absolutely bright. I love to fill my home with colors. I do not generally like the regular normal stuff, especially in terms of furniture and the stuff that I use for decoration. I like things to be rugged, offbeat, and totally unconventional. Now this is my fifth house in the last 15 years, and all my homes have been based on the same theme. A few things that have been common in all my houses is ground seating. I'm a big fan of ground seating. That a lot of books and plants is something that had been the essence of my home every single time. Now obviously while shifting to Gurgaon, I couldn't bring my plants here, so I am still in the process of getting new ones. I have bought a few indoor plants for now, and there are many more to come. Also, I donated almost half of my books before shifting. I just couldn't fit. Now let me show you a few pics of one of my old homes as well. This was in Hyderabad, and my friends used to actually call it a cafe. And as I mentioned before, I am a big lover of ground seating. I just cannot do without having one such corner in my house. I even had a miniature garden there, which I had to dismantle because it is really hard to maintain a miniature garden. Anyway, coming back to the current home, it is a cute, cozy 2-bedroom apartment. Yeah, so let us begin. Let me turn the camera around and show you what I've done with my home. Let's go. Okay, so let us go left to right from the entrance. So just next to the door, I have kept my tripod and my TV stand. On the top, I have hung 2 different frames and a few other pieces. Now coming down, this table was a wall-mounted study table, and I converted it into this, just for a change. I have placed some books here, a vase, a calendar from Chumberg, and some souvenirs that I bought during my travels. Moving on, here is a small corner for reading with some books and a gorgeous lamp, with a ground seating setup with 2 cushions, again some books on the center table, some magazines at the bottom, and a plant. The cushions are from Amazon. Okay, let's move further. Let me go a little behind to give you a better view of the main sitting area in my drawing room. I bought this fabulous piece recently from Rag Decor. They have such gorgeous different kind of furniture pieces at absolutely affordable prices. I'll tag them below, do check them out. Again, I have kept it very bright with the shades of all the colors possible. At the top, I have kept few boxes, or rather racks, with some things inside them. I did not want to put the regular frames there, they have become too common. Also, I have kept the hangings small. I didn't want to make this wall too heavy for the eyes, as there are already so many colors around which make the whole setup already look so very busy. Now, this is the corner table where I have my Buddha statue. Well, actually it is a fountain, a very soothing and a lovely one. I have a candle stand in the center, some books, a tissue box, some games, and a teddy here. Now let me go back again. This is another seater, a small one that I bought from Rag Decor itself, with a very rustic and an unfinished look, and I just love it. Next to it, I have kept a rocking cane chair. Now in the center, I have a glass table made of tires. I love the bright neon green color, thanks to Rag Decor. I have dropped in a lot of lights and artificial plants in there, and it looks absolutely fantastic in the night time. We'll put the pictures or a video of the night view as well by the end of this video. Now, moving on. Here on the corner wall, I have made a setup with 3 different pieces. The deer head on the top is made of wood and I bought it from Andamans. Below is a rack from Amazon with a beautiful bullock cart handmade by Kondapalli artist. Here's the corner with my water cooler and refrigerator. You can see that I have deliberately filled this corner with the red color. Everything has a dash of red here. Why? Probably because I just love red color. Now here is my tea box where I have my green teas, coffee, sugar and other things. I am a sucker for green teas and always keep some variety of them. Here I have kept a cute indoor plant with an antique typewriter next to it, which was a gift from a very dear friend of mine. Next to it is my bookshelf. You'll find a lot of books and plants in my home, as I mentioned before. In fact, while shifting, I donated almost half of my books. Now, apart from books on the shelf, I have also kept some showpieces here and there. I have my Ganesha on the top, a Buddha, some vases from Chumbak and other souvenirs. Next to it is my reading area with a cute corner seater that I bought from Urban Ladder. On the wall, I have hanged some stuff and none of them is a hanging or a showpiece. Like this is a bowl here from Thailand. I have hanged some baskets from my kitchen here. I used to use them for keeping breads and other kitchen stuff. Inside each one of them, I have just put some magnets that I bought from different parts of Africa. And on the top is a very stylish clock from Comic Con Hyderabad, which says I have been shopping all my life and still have nothing to wear. So apt for me, I tell you. Anyway, so now let me take you to my dining area, which is small but a very adorable one. The table is again from Rag Decor. And boy, isn't it so different and unconventional. I've hung 2 plants by its side and kept a teddy underneath. In the center, I kept a plant, a kettle and some coasters. And we are back where we started from. This is the entrance, and on top of the door is a beautiful handcrafted Ma Durgas hanging from Kolkata. Yeah, so this is my drawing room. Let me give you a 360-degree view of the whole place. Look at those beautiful, gorgeous colors shining bright like diamonds. Now let me take you to the favorite part of my house, my balcony. I have kept a green carpet here, made up of artificial grass, and a small 2-seater sofa. Again, I got it from Rag Decor. It has a beautiful light blue color. I have decorated it with a few lights and some cushions. It has a small ground level table too. Now here is the best view of it. I have kept a lot of decoration pieces here and there. I have hanged few wind chimes and some other stuff on the railing as well. Here is my recliner where I spend at least 1 hour every morning with my green tea and a book. Now in the corner, I have kept some plants and decorated the whole area with some small stuff. Some plants are artificial and some are real, like these ones here are the real ones. I've kept a miniature of a pond here which I bought from Amazon and decorated it with some lights. It looks fabulous in the night. Here is a corner with a book that I'm currently reading, and here are some more cute showpieces. Yeah, and this is a gorgeous view from my balcony. Isn't it beautiful? Let us go inside again. Look at those magnets. I guess I'll have to buy a refrigerator only for those. By the way, I have so many of them packed inside because there is absolutely no place in my house to put them. Now this is my kitchen, a small, cozy and a very cute one. I'm actually loving it. So next to it is my sister's room where we are not going to go. This is the corridor to my room. I have kept some hangings here. Here is a gorgeous handmade nameplate that one of my friends gifted me. She makes all these beautiful pieces. I will tag her in the caption just in case you want to get something done. Here's another cute hanging which was a gift from a friend's niece. She made it on her own. Moving on, this is my bedroom. Now I bought this mirror from Amazon. Again, I do not like those regular dressing tables, so I have bought this mirror just as a substitute. A small corner sitter and an almirah that I recently bought from hometown. And this amazing breathtaking ground level bed, again from Rag Decor. How gorgeous it is. On the wall behind, I have hanged some very cute framed posters. Here is my coat rack where I generally hang all my jackets, and here is a small corner with some books, a plant and some other pieces. On the wall opposite, I have a clock, a hat and a dream catcher. Now on the wall behind the bed, I have a beautiful dream catcher here that has lights in it. The posters are very colorful, simple and filled with such positive messages and pictures. Now moving on, let me take you to another favorite place of mine, my room's balcony. I spend all my evenings here with my big mug of green tea and a book. I have a hammock here with a cushion. It is so damn comfortable that I cannot tell you. I have also kept 2 chairs here. I love this balcony and look at that view. How absolutely breathtaking it is, no? A perfect place to spend your evenings. Let me show you the night view as well. I've decorated this wall with some lights and it looks very beautiful in the night. What do you think? And this is how my center table looks with all the lights on inside it. I'm truly obsessed with it. Let me take you to the balcony as well. This is how it looks with the lights on. I can literally spend my life here. Yeah, so this is it, my small cozy home. I am in love with it and I'm enjoying every moment spending in every corner of my house. Do let me know in the comment section how did you find it, and also DM me if you want to know about any of the decor pieces or about anything else. So that is all for today's video. See you next time and thank you so much for watching. Bye!